Should you use the open to work frame on LinkedIn if you're looking for a job? The honest answer is it depends on your situation and your strategy. First, let's understand what it actually does. LinkedIn allows you to signal that you're open to new opportunities in two ways. One is private, visible only to recruiters using LinkedIn Recruiter. The other is public, the green open to work frame around your profile photo. Now here's where people get divided. Some career coaches argue that the public frame signals desperation. Others argue that it increases visibility and makes it easier for recruiters to identify candidates quickly. Both sides have a point. If you are currently unemployed, recently laid off, or openly transitioning careers, the public frame can be helpful. It removes ambiguity, it signals availability, and it may increase inbound recruiter messages simply because your profile stands out in searches. However, if you are currently employed and conducting a discrete job search, the public frame can introduce risk. Even though LinkedIn tries to avoid showing the signal to recruiters at your current company, nothing is foolproof. If confidentiality matters, using the private recruiters only setting is often the smarter move. There's also a positioning consideration. A LinkedIn profile should ideally communicate value before it communicates need. In other words, your headline, summary, featured section, and experience should clearly articulate what you bring to the table. If the frame is the most prominent thing on your profile but your positioning's weak, it won't help much. Here's the strategic way to think about it. If you're in an active, urgent job search and you want maximum exposure, the public frame can increase awareness, but it should be paired with a highly optimized profile. Clear headline, measurable achievements, keywords aligned with your target roles, and ideally active posting or engagement. If you're quietly exploring options, use the private recruiter setting instead. Update your profile. Network intentionally, message hiring managers directly, but don't broadcast it. In simple terms, the frame is a tool, not a magic solution and not a red flag by default. It amplifies whatever positioning you already have. The real question isn't, should I use the frame? It's, what message does my entire profile send when someone clicks on it? Because visibility without positioning doesn't get interviews. Positioning with visibility does.